Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for your above-ground pool maintenance, the Bestway 2000 GPH sand filter pump. If you're looking to keep your pool water crystal clear without breaking the bank, this might just be the perfect solution for you. This sand filter pump from Bestway is designed to efficiently filter pool water, trapping dirt and debris in its durable, corrosion-resistant tank. It boasts a flow rate of up to 2,000 gallons per hour, making it suitable for most above-ground pools ranging from 300 to 4,300 gallons. Let's talk about what makes this pump stand out. Firstly, it uses silica sand as a filtering medium, which lasts much longer than traditional filter cartridges, up to 3 years before needing replacement. Plus, it's a cost-effective option in the long run compared to frequent cartridge changes. Now, let's see it in action. The pump arrives pre-assembled, which makes installation a breeze. The top flange clamp design with 360-degree rotation ensures a quick setup process. Just connect it to your pool's existing plumbing, add the required amount of silica sand, and you're good to go. In terms of performance, this pump does a fantastic job of keeping your pool water clean and healthy. It features a Chem Connect dispenser, which helps maintain a stable level of chlorine throughout the pool, ensuring gentle and skin-friendly water for you and your family. Many users have praised its efficiency and ease of use. It effectively filters out larger debris like leaves and hair before the water even reaches the sand, which extends the life of both the pump and the sand itself. Compared to cartridge-based filters, the sand filter system requires less frequent maintenance and offers better filtration for larger particles. It's a solid choice if you're looking for reliability and cost efficiency. Wrapping it up, the Bestway 2000 GPH sand filter pump is a standout option for anyone with an above-ground pool looking to upgrade their filtration system. With its durable construction, easy setup, and effective performance, it's definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.